In our quiz buzzer system, each player has one push button connected to an Arduino input pin. We use input pull up, so each button is wired from the input pin to ground, making the signal go low when pressed. For example, player 1 uses pin 2, player 2 uses pin 3, and player 3 uses pin 4. Each player also has an indicator LED. These LEDs are connected Arduino input pins. Player 1 LEDs on pin 8, player 2 on pin 9, and player 3 on pin 10. When a player presses first, the Arduino turns on that player LEDs and it also activates the buzzer on pin 11. The reset mechanism uses a separate button connected to pin 12. Also set an input pull up. Pressing the button sends the pin low, telling the Arduino to turn off all LEDs, stop the buzzer, and unlock the system so the next round can begin. These pin mappings and configuration ensure every button press is detected correctly and each player gets a clear visual or sound indicator.
Here is how our Arduino quiz buzzer program works. First, we set each button pins as input pull-up and each LED and the buzzer as output using pin mode. This is important because it tells the Arduino which pins will read signals and which ones will send signals. Inside the loop, the Arduino constantly checks each player's buttons using digital read. When a button goes low, that means the player pressed it. The first button detected becomes the winner, and we immediately turn on that player's LED and activate the buzzer. The program then sets a lockout variable to true. This lockout stops the Arduino from reading the other buttons, so only the first player's press is counted. If we want to start a new round, we press the reset button. The reset game function turns off all LEDs and the buzzer and sets the lockout back to false, putting the system back into ready mode. Overall, the program relies on digital inputs, digital outputs, simple if statements, and a lock variable to control timing and ensure the first press is always detected correctly.
Our first issue is about the buzzer, which is it should be a positive buzzer that we put in. The one we put in is active, and about our error, there is a one button that is not working, so what we did was wrong. The solution, we tried to change the jumper wires, and then we changed the air resistor, and what happened is the resistor is the one that is broken, so